Okay, so I got a setup cooking at the moment. This is gold on M3, very early in the morning. Literally just waiting for a setup. I'm not sure if we'll get our entry on this trade. If we do get our entry, then this will be a good setup. I'm looking to upload this on YouTube. It's been a while since I uploaded a live trade on YouTube, so we'll see if we get an entry. If we do, then we're ready to go. Got my magic keys ready, my fingers are ready. Okay. Entry was slightly late, I can't lie, the volume was crazy. And the thing about gold, if you just that tiny little movement right there it's probably like a good $500, I'm guessing. But we're in profit anyway. It's looking good so far. It's looking good so far. Let's see what happens now. Okay, we're moving in profit nicely. So what I just done was I've put my break-even marker set as well. So once we hit that, it puts us straight to break-even. Now the reason for this is all discipline, right? What you always want to do is you want to automate everything if you can, because what that's going to do is going to remove the what's the word I'm looking for? The feel. It's going to remove the feeling of you wanting to change stuff or break your rules, basically. So now that I have that break even set, once I hit there, I'm going to go to break even. I won't get the thought of, oh, maybe I shouldn't, maybe I should do this. My TP has been set as well, so I'm not going to be hesitant on when I should leave, etc. So at best I'm going to leave early, but I'm definitely not going to leave later. That makes sense, because it's going to hit TP. So this is a tiny, small tip for you guys. Just set things so that way everything happens as it should and you don't break your rules. Boom. Alright, look, break even set now. Pretty much can't lose this trade, so now I'm chilled. Now I'm happy. Now we're all good. Worst case scenario, break even and we're good. So let's see if we can hit TP though. Up $600 at the moment. We still gotta go about like 2K ish. So we'll see what we get. Beautiful trade, I can't lie. Beautiful. It's looking nice so far. Oh, whoa, that rejection was crazy. That rejection was crazy. Holy. Okay, we're getting some volumes back in again though. Right now I need that next candle to close above. That's the main thing right now, because I'm trying to see what the price action is doing. If it doesn't, then we have a tiny bit of reason to be concerned. Just a little bit though, it's a tiny bit. So nearly close above. I don't think we will, but still pretty clean though, I must say. I don't think I'm worried too far so far. I posted on my IG earlier, right? I had an issue where basically Forex is not consistent and it's kind of annoying. But if you're not following me on IG, I post a lot on there. Like, that's where all my behind the scenes, all my trades, live trades, you know, everything I post on my story, etc. So follow me on IG at Sully's Advice if you haven't. But literally, I'm considering moving to futures. I don't know if I will yet. I'm not saying anything yet, but I'm considering it just because of the consistency. Forex, things change randomly. There's different stuff. I don't know. It's just not consistent. One broker is showing you one thing, the next broker is showing you another thing. It's just, yeah, it's not. It's annoying. It's sometimes annoying, but at the same time, going to futures, a whole new learning curve, and maybe trading new pairs. I know gold will stay the same, but GU, for example, I can't really trade GU on futures if I remember correctly. I don't know, but yeah, that's kind of where my mind's at the moment in terms of that. We will see though, you know, and it's all open for it's just food for thought in a way. We'll see what I'll do, but right now we're very close to TP, literally like $300 more, and it's GG's. Let's see how price reacts close to TP though. As soon as we're at 2k, I'm ready to leave. I don't know, I was struggling a little bit. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful trade. And let me just give you a little explanation of why I took this trade. All right, this trade was extremely simple, very simple. Actually, one of the students at the academy actually mentioned this setup initially, right? But then I realized, okay, cool, I'm not going to take this up. I'll take this one instead because it's safer. Why is it safer? These two are pretty close, so we're not trying to really risk money on this. Might as well just wait for this. If they do leave us from this trade, then that's fine, but at least we didn't lose money. So I ignored this setup. I waited for the ones below. Eventually we did tap in, and as you can see on that trade, I entered right here. Nice and simple. I trade supply and demand, so you guys would know. This is a demand zone. If you don't know that already, I've made several videos on it. This is a demand zone. Slightly, not the super highest probability, just because, you know, the breakout shot isn't exactly clean, but overall though, based on trend, we are forming higher highs. We swept this high, so it's just a matter of just continuing the trend at this point. There aren't no like close fair value gaps below as well, so this trade I was pretty confident on. Plus, if you go on the 5 minute, okay, it's not this one that has a 5 minute confluence, it was another trade, but yeah, this was just a 3 minute setup, nice and easy. I decided to leave all the way up here for this trade, but first TP was technically just taking a 101 around here if you wanted to just play safe. So I left up here, but my entry was late, so we didn't actually get the 2.68R. We just got about 1 or 2, which is fine, and eventually we slapped TP.